Morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Welcome to all new subscribers. Today, we have an unboxing from Paintsomeway. Paintsomeway sells diamond painting, sells cross stitch, okay, paint by numbers. But in cross stitch, they sell by brand like Joy Sunday and Spring. Okay, they have a good special right now. And if you buy $49 or more, you get free shipping. So go and check it out, Paintsomeway. I'm going to post their website in the description box. First of all, I already start using it. One of the things that they sent me was these scissors, okay? So I already start using it. They cut pretty good, okay? And they are curved, which help you which helps when you cutting the thread to cut it close as possible. Here it is. So they're pretty good. I'm using them already. That's why you don't see in the original package. But they came well packed. Okay. So also we have two cross stitches over here. And two of my favorite. Because they're Joy Sunday, number one. And number two, they are lighthouses. Okay, the first one is this one, lighthouses and seagulls. Okay, this is 14 count, 2 strand, 34 by 43. I'm gonna show you, if I can, the picture. Oh, it's on that shiny paper too. So here it is. It's very pretty. Very bluish, which I like. Okay. So that's pretty. And this one, wow, have a whopping 51 colors because it includes 3 for backstitch. But full stitch are 50 colors. Oh my, this is 147 inches, stitches wide by 194 stitches high. So this one is 50 colors or 51 colors, 3 for backstitch. And we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 half stitches. So it's 50 full stitches, 19 half stitches, and 3 back stitches. And here it is. And you can see where the back stitch is. This one. And look all the the half stitch. This is the back stitch. And these are the half stitch. These ones over here. You can see them. Here it is. All this is half stitch. And all this is back stitch, the whole tower. Which gives them definition, which is good. Okay? And here is, let me put this back in the, because that way I can put it separately. If I put it back, okay, and here is the fabric. It's a little big. Okay, here is the name of the product and the product number, Lighthouses and Seagulls, 147, 194 stitches. It's kind of an off-white Aida, 14 count. 14 count. This one's 14 count? Because it looks more like a 11 count. It's a 14 count. It's search all around so you don't get frayed when you're stitching. And you have the symbols by what you should go with for stitching this Aida. Okay. And here there is a lot of blocking. This should be an easy stitch. Even with the back stitch. There's a lot of blocking over here. Lots of blocking. Beautiful. Look at the stitch. Look at the symbols. Very crisp. Very beautiful. No smudging. A lot of blocking. Okay. And then you get the symbols down at the bottom part. And on the sides, you get some in here. Okay. So now let's go to the cards. You get the 2 needles from Joy Sunday, which is a custom of them. Okay. Here it is. There is not that many on this side. Here it is. Beautiful colors. Beautiful purples. Come on. Here they are. The greens and the blues. Oh my God. Those blues, those blues, those blues, those blues. And here they are. We have more blues to go. Here they are. Beautiful. Beautiful blues. Oh my God. That's gonna be nice. Take a look at this one. Let me get this one like this. They're beautiful. They're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's put them together and let's watch them. Take a look at this. All together. All those blues together. Doesn't want to get fixed. Take a look at those seafoam green. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cross stitch. I'm loving it. I probably do it. I gotta make a list of the ones that I want to do this year, including those 2 big ones. High Mountain and Ambilight. And the silk ones. These are huge silk ones. Okay, that's the first one. And here is the second one. This one is Lighthouse number 9. 14 count, also 36 by 42. Let's take a look at this one. Come on, doesn't want to open. The back doesn't want to open. Oh God. Let's get to this. Here it is, the short. A lot of back stitching. There's gonna be a lot of back stitching in here too. This is beautiful. This is 36 by 42. This is a little bigger. This here is the picture. Beautiful, a lot of detail in there. Okay, it's 158 stitches wide by 190 stitches high, and you got 39 full stitches and 3 back stitch. Okay, so let's get these back. Let's get these back in the bag. at this one. This one is a little bigger. This one is in a kind of look wider, this one, but this is a partial. Okay, has Lighthouse 9 along with the product number 158 by 190. You got the symbols over here that what you should go to do the stitching. There is a lot of blocking over here, quite a bit of confetti that the other one doesn't have. And here are the symbols. Very crispy, very beautiful, very defined symbols, very well defined symbols. Okay, areas of confetti. This one doesn't have half stitch. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now to the cards with the goodies. Okay. Let me fix this a little bit. Here are the colors. You're gonna find some different shades of gray. Beautiful greens and blues. Remember the 2 needles by Joy Sunday? Here are the other ones. A reminder. That color is so beautiful. So we're gonna get this one. Okay. Let's do this. Beautiful colors. A lot of greens on this one with some blues. Okay. A lot of green ones with some blue. Beautiful colors, beautiful canvas. Thank you, Paintsomeway, for this cross stitch. Thank you for the collaboration. Okay, I do really appreciate it. If you haven't hit subscribe, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. And you can check the playlist for other crafts that might be interested you. If you have a special request, please comment below. Thank you again. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.